What's the weather in Wales like then?
Yeah, well, love must be in the air because it is the warmest day of the year so far, at least for Wales. Temperatures up to 16 degrees Celsius, and in one or two hotspots today, it could get up to around 17 degrees. The average is closer to 8, but we're not beating records. That's more like 19 degrees set in Somerset in the late 90s.
Hello there, good afternoon. It was a frosty, foggy start earlier on today with poor visibility on many of the roads, but it all lifted to leave us with lots of blue sky and sunshine, as you can see from our Weather Watcher photos here. And that's what we're set to keep as we head through the rest of the afternoon.
Now there, good evening. A fine day today, but it's all changed for the rest of the week.
Lovely day for you there in Cardiff. 12 degrees the high, but it was actually in West Wales where we saw the highest of the temperatures in the UK today. In the sunshine, we got above 16 Celsius, should be around 8. Contrast that though with parts of Lincolnshire. The fog really just did not want to shift, just 4 degrees right the way through into the afternoon. Both though dry, and that's quite a crucial thing at the moment. After that thoroughly wet start to the year, there are some parts of England who have barely had a drop in the past month, but it will change. Here's an area cloud out in the Atlantic at the moment. That is pushing towards us. We just need to break through the block with this area cloud.
Well, it's all about the romance, of course, this evening, weather-wise. Look at this beautiful Weather Watcher picture coming in of that sunset. Just some lovely colours in that. And how about this for an early date night too? Well, sunsets over Westminster from the city, of course. So some beautiful Weather Watcher pictures on our Weather Watchers website, of course, but not quite so romantic was all of that fog earlier on this morning. In fact, it looked quite spooky, didn't it? There won't be quite so much fog forming overnight tonight, and that is because the southerly breeze is set to pick up, so it won't form quite so readily. It's a very mixed picture over the next few days. In fact, there'll be more sunshine tomorrow, staying very mild, of course. There'll be some rain on Thursday, actual rain, and then it turns rather windy, but it should stay dry on Friday before high pressure starts to build back into the weekend. So again, looking dry.
Now today was the warmest day of the year so far, reaching a balmy 16.4 Celsius in the west of Wales. That is 61 Fahrenheit. And Joe is in Leeds for us tonight. So Joe, can it be true? Is it officially warming up?
It certainly is, Mary. Yes, it's felt very balmy here in Leeds this afternoon, although you can see my breath now in the air, so things are still chilly by night. And here at Leeds Dock, plenty of people buzzing around, half-term holidays for many parts of the country, and people enjoying the dry and mild start to the week. As you said before, in mid-Wales this afternoon, reaching 16 Celsius this afternoon, our warmest day of the year so far. Now, when the dock here in Leeds was first built in 1843, it was used to transport goods across the north on the Leeds-Liverpool Canal. In fact, just up the River Aire from here, they filmed the first moving picture in 1888. Still buzzing here in a different way to the 1800s, lots going on. And over the next few days, it should be quite mild as well across the north, but also for southern parts of the country. Perhaps you're on half term. We're still very much in meteorological winter at the moment, but it does feel like spring is just round the corner. If you're planning what to do for the rest of this week, or perhaps looking at next for half term, you'll need the forecast. Maybe we can put those thermals away. Let's take a look. So a mild start to the week for many places, and over the next few nights there will be a touch of frost, but things looking good over the next few days. Some patchy rain, much needed rain for western areas as we go through the day tomorrow, and some lovely sunshine again for central and southern parts of the country once more. There's also some Saharan dust in the air, making for some gorgeous sunsets and sunrises over the next couple of days, so perhaps look out for those. Back to you, Mary.
All right, Joe, thank you very much.